What if I told you that one of the most innovative minds of our time, Elon Musk, is terrified of something that could potentially destroy humanity? It's a fear that keeps him up at night, and it's not climate change or nuclear war, it's AI. I'm talking about the same AI that's powering your smartphone, your virtual assistants, and even your favorite video streaming services. But why is Elon Musk so afraid of it? I've been following Elon's journey with AI for a while now, and it's been a wild ride. He's been warning us about the dangers of AI for years, but we've only recently started to listen. And it's not just Elon, many experts in the field are sounding the alarm, saying that AI poses an existential risk to humanity. But what does that even mean? It means that AI has the potential to become so powerful that it could wipe out human civilization as we know it. That's a pretty scary thought, right? But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of AI safety, let's take a step back and look at how we got here. We've been developing AI for decades, but it's only in the past few years that we've seen exponential growth in the field. Companies like Openai are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, creating machines that can learn, reason, and even create art. It's amazing, but it's also terrifying. I mean, think about it, we're creating machines that are smarter than us, and we're not even sure if we can control them. And that's the crux of the problem. We're not sure if we can control AI, and that's what keeps Elon Musk up at night. He's worried that we're creating a monster that will eventually turn against us. It's like the story of Frankenstein, we're playing God, creating life, but we're not sure if we can handle the consequences. But what if I told you that there's a way to make AI safer? It's called AI safety research, and it's an area that's gaining traction fast. As I've been learning more about AI safety, I've come to realize that it's not just about creating machines that are smarter than us, it's about creating machines that are aligned with human values. It's like teaching a child right from wrong, we need to teach AI what's good and what's bad. But how do we do that? It's a tough question, and one that's being debated by experts in the field. Some say that we need to create AI that's transparent, so we can see what it's thinking and why it's making certain decisions. Others say that we need to create AI that's more like humans, with emotions and empathy. But here's the thing, we're not even sure if that's possible. I mean, think about it, we're trying to create machines that are like humans, but we're not even sure if we understand ourselves. It's like trying to build a car without knowing how the engine works. And that's what's so fascinating about AI safety research, it's not just about creating safer machines, it's about understanding ourselves. As I've been exploring this topic, I've come to realize that AI safety is not just a technical problem, it's a philosophical one. It's about what it means to be human, and what we want our relationship with machines to be. As we continue to develop AI, we need to ask ourselves some tough questions. What kind of world do we want to create? Do we want to create a world where machines are in control, or do we want to create a world where humans are in charge? It's a question that's been debated by science fiction writers for decades, but now it's becoming a reality. And that's what's so exciting about this field, we're not just talking about machines, we're talking about the future of humanity. But as we move forward, we need to be careful. We need to make sure that we're creating machines that are aligned with our values, and that we're not creating machines that will eventually destroy us. It's a delicate balance, and one that requires careful consideration. As I've been thinking about this topic, I've come to realize that AI safety is not just about technology, it's about ethics. It's about what's right and wrong, and what kind of world we want to create. And that's where Elon Musk comes in. He's been warning us about the dangers of AI for years, and he's been pushing for more research into AI safety. He's not just talking about the technical aspects of AI, he's talking about the philosophical ones. He's asking us to think about what kind of world we want to create, and what kind of machines we want to build. As I've been listening to his warnings, I've come to realize that he's not just afraid of AI, he's afraid of what we might become. He's afraid that we'll create machines that are so powerful, so intelligent, that they'll surpass us. And that's a scary thought. But what if I told you that there's a way to mitigate that risk? It's called AI safety research, and it's an area that's gaining traction fast. Companies like Openai are investing heavily in this area, and they're making some amazing breakthroughs. They're creating machines that can learn, reason, and even create art, but they're also creating machines that are safer, more transparent, and more aligned with human values. As I've been learning more about this field, I've come to realize that it's not just about creating machines, it's about creating a better world. As I've been thinking about this topic, I've come to realize that AI safety is not just a technical problem, it's a human one. It's about what we value, what we believe in, and what kind of world we want to create. And that's what's so fascinating about this field. It's not just about machines, it's about us. So, what kind of world do you want to create? Do you want to create a world where machines are in control, or do you want to create a world where humans are in charge? That's a question that I want to leave you with, and one that I hope will spark some interesting conversations. As you think about this topic, I hope you'll join me on this journey of exploration, and together, we can create a better future, one that's safer, more transparent, and more aligned with human values. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI, technology, and the future of humanity.